Welcome. Today we're going to talk about email etiquette. So what does email etiquette mean? It means polite behavior. Before we get started, let's look at the parts of an email. This is what a blank email looks like. The first thing that you see is the to, or also known as the recipient. This is the email address of the person you're sending this to. The email address can tell you a lot about a person. So let's look at one. Here's Fred's email address, fred.carlson@monticello.k12.ia.us. The front part is usually the person's name. The @ is the start of where their email is from. This is from a school because it says monticello.k12. It means K-12, kindergarten through 12th. .ia tells us the state, Iowa, and .us tells us it's in the United States. The subject is where you will tell the person what your email is about. Make sure that your subject is short and to the point. Carbon copy stands for, that's what the CC stands for. You use this when you want someone to know what is going on in the email, but it doesn't mean they have to reply back. BCC is for blind carbon copy. Like CC, but the recipient doesn't see who else is getting the email. You might want to use this to send a group email and you don't want to give everyone else's email addresses away. Now that you understand a little bit about email, go to the next slide and complete the assignments.